I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative, I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win, I'll take a stab. I wanna chase a bag, I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. Rolling now, I'll give up everything.
The venom in my brain, running from the past, wanna escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this, I just wanna break these chains. Always asking for greatness, true to myself, I never fake it. Seen too many once, I just so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one, started to outlaws for profit. Now all I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted, created a legacy off of me just being honest. And the fake ones hate, but it's all to no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail.
Guys, habis mandi guys. Tang dicat, tang mari. Info.
I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space.
Oke guys, update. Duh, rusuh sih, tak saponan nih. Nah, inilah produk Replika guys. Oke, update. Ini habis di epoksi warna putih. Ini penataan nih guys, bagasi bagian depan ya, berantakan guys. Oke, habis di epoksi, terus kemarin habis ini ya, potong atapnya ya guys, yang kelihatan menonjol ini. Atapnya habis dipotong, masih belum dirapikan. Udah dibentuk tapi tinggal rapikan aja guys. Down trimnya juga udah dipasang, panel tengah, dashboard. Ini atapnya guys, ini potongan atapnya. Nanti di sini kasih karet ya. Ini masih sementara, ini karetnya masih sementara. Ini kaca lampunya ini udah ada guys ya, ntar tak pasang guys. kaca lampu, tinggal dihitemin. Oke, ini kaca lampunya ya, pasang satu-satu. Cek mati jebun. American nih. Epoxy perekat. Nah, ini kaca lampunya guys. Ini dalamnya tinggal diwarna hitam ya. Nanti sambil nata lampu-lampunya nanti. Belakang ya. Ini spoilernya masih dilepas, masih dicat juga. Ini aduh, ini jatuh guys. Aman ya? Kalau yang satunya kemarin masih pecah ya, masih mau bikin lagi. Ini cat dasarnya masih belum rata guys ya, masih satu lapis. Cuma buat detailing aja, nyari bagian yang kurang-kurang. Kayak gini guys, nyari keropos-keroposnya gini. Ini masih satu lapis.